there, everyone. It's so exciting. So exciting to share this with you. Welcome to Tea with Jann. Tea with Jann is a place to explore all things tea, whether that be interesting tea blends like this one that we're gonna check out today, as well as teaware, both new and old. If you haven't already, please hit subscribe and follow along. Yep, that's right. We got into a little bit of the bubbly last night. For our New Year's Eve, let me just tell you what we did for New Year's Eve. So Jeanette and I, my wife, we went out to a fabulous local restaurant. It's so cute. We had the most wonderful meal. Like both of us, our plates were like cleaned. It was delicious, wonderful. And we always have such a great time there. It's Bistro 22 and the chef is amazing and the staff are so delightful. So it always makes for a great evening. After that, we came home and yeah, we made ourselves this lemon pig. I don't even know. I feel like it's a prank somebody pulled. Jeanette said she's seen it on Twitter or something like that. So we actually enjoyed ourselves and we made ourselves this lemon pig. It's said to bring you good luck. I will take all the luck I can get, so I was like, lemon pig us up. It has cloves for its eyes, and you put a penny in its mouth, and you cut little slits for the ears, and you make this adorable little piglet tail out of tinfoil, and then toothpicks or sticks for its legs. The thing is that you actually keep this for the whole year. And I was like, so we're making a pig for good luck, a lemon pig, and we're gonna keep it for a year while it rots. And she was like, yes. And I was like, okay, sign me up. So that's what's going on there. But let's get to this. This is what, we're all very interested in, right? So this is the Fortnum and Mason sparkling tea. We did open it last night for our New Year's Eve drink. It was so fun. I will show you the video now of that because we did capture that, so. This is so beautiful.
I'm gonna do it this way.
Yeah.
All right, it's coming.
Oh, that's so fun. Oh my God. Whoop.
Get it.
That's amazing. Whoop, whoop, whoop.
I got mine.
I got mine too, kinda. Okay. Now that we're a mess.
Cheers.
It's very bubbly. It's so pretty. So a sparkling tea, it's 0% alcohol, but it looks and kind of tastes like alcohol. And it is so fun. And who doesn't want sparkling tea? I don't know. I ordered this from Fortnum and Mason and I did an unboxing on that as well with all the other goodies that I grabbed from Fortnum and Mason. On the back it says Fortnum's sparkling tea is made with the finest Fortnum's tea, delicate yet complex, citrus fruit, lemongrass, and Desjardins aromas precede a long palette of black, white, and green teas, fresh mint, and lemon. The ultimate alcohol-free sparkling beverage for celebrations and the aperitif moment. Serve chilled. We did chill this yesterday and we had it all chilled up. So it's been sitting in the fridge overnight. It does say that it Once opened, keep refrigerate and consume within 5 days. The ingredients are water, green tea, white tea, black tea, mint leaves, grape juice, lemon juice, natural flavoring, and then COT and sulfates. And the majority of the ingredients are actually organic. Very interesting. It is a beautiful label, and the cork was so much fun to take off. So let's have ourselves a little bit of a taste here. So, because I know last night I was, pretty excited and maybe didn't really talk so much about it. So we'll do that right now. It smells It kind of smells like if you combined grape juice, wine, and some tea. Like, it's not a heavy smell, it's just like a light, nice smell. It's super crisp, very clean. I think that mint is really like letting everything flow through. It's not heavy on the black tea. I mean, white tea is a very light tea anyways. I would say if anything, you do taste the green tea. Now what I did, and the lemon juice, yeah, you definitely taste the lemon juice. It is lovely. Like, I would buy this again. So I mean, I think that should speak volumes. And it is wonderful. It's so much fun. I love that it's non-alcoholic. I like having these choices and these options. And I mean, the fact that it's a sparkling tea, that's my cup of tea. So what I also did was I took some of the sparkling tea and I stirred it vigorously for a long, long time, trying to get all the bubbles out to see if I could taste, more of the tea. Because sometimes, those bubbles, they're all like bubbling in your mouth and it's a little difficult. Yep, you definitely taste more of the flavors. Yep, you can taste the mint for sure. The mint kind of really pops without the bubbles. This is amazing though. Like, I am 10 out of 10 for me. It's just super fun. Like, I love that. And that was our New Year's. So it was kind of low key, which is great for us. That's kind of our style. And I loved having the non-alcoholic choice and the fact that it was tea. Like I said, my cup of tea. I hope your guys' New Year's Eve was spectacular in everything and anything that you wanted it to be, whether that was going to bed early or out partying all night. I hope it was exactly what you wished and hoped for. I hope that your dreams and wishes and goals all come true for 2020. I mean, it does seem like this is going to be the year for vision. I'm so punny. If you're interested in stuff like that, don't forget to subscribe. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. That really tickles my heart. And I will hope to see you in the comments down below. Until next time, take care. Bye. So much fun. Glug, 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 glug.